It's not slippery. Stay on the high parts, it's not slippery. You're going to step into it. You've gone to the deep section. Faster you get over, the faster you get out.
I hear you.
Well, hurry the fuck up. School of hard knocks, baby.
I didn't want to sleep.
Was it nice and warm?
It's alright, that's refreshing.
It's not too bad actually.
Not too bad. Not too shabby.
Just walking up and I didn't even notice I was standing under this. Look at all these yummy yummies. The whole tree is chock-a-block full of them. Everywhere. I've never seen so many on a tree. Usually they're gone by the birds or maybe they're not ripe yet, who knows.
I reckon they'll get me.
Do not forget guys. Like, share, subscribe.